If you've ever wanted to create your own anime with consistent characters, camera angles, multiple cutscenes, and sharp dialogue delivery,
My arm, it's burning!
This video might be the only guide you need, because today, I'll be walking you through how to create a complete AI anime for free using my step-by-step workflow, which I perfected over weeks of trying multiple video and image generators to cut through the noise to the best tools for anime-style animation, which uses a combination of the Seedream model, along with Seedance for animation and Sora2 to animate a few key scenes. And here's the crazy part. What normally takes weeks for a studio, you can create in 30 minutes using my simple workflow and master prompt that you can literally copy and paste and never worry about consistency, angles, and animation. So make sure to watch till the end to learn my secret consistency formula and also grab my workflow. So let's head over to ChatGPT to paste the master prompt I've provided in my workflow, link below. Enter genre plus number of characters and it'll instantly generate your character prompts, scene prompts, and shot prompts with dialogues, which we'll be using to generate videos for our anime. We'll be using Seedream 4.0 to generate images, which fares well against the other generators. So head over to Dreamina and select AI image along with the 4.0 model and a 16:9 ratio. Now we can paste our character prompt here from ChatGPT and generate. We get this perfect image, which also happens to be our starting scene. You may tweak the character prompt to get your desired look. This becomes your foundation for all other scenes. For multiple characters, we'll use my workflow, which most tutorials never cover. You simply generate each one individually using the GPT character prompt and use them as reference with the text-to-image shot prompt in Seedream to get the required scene. As for my story, it'll have a single main character, so I'll download my first shot, go over to ChatGPT to copy over the second GPT shot prompt, and use the first image's reference to hit generate and get my perfectly consistent scene. Now for the next scene, to maximize consistency, I'm going to upload the second shot as reference in addition to the base image while copying over prompt for the next shot. And you'll notice I skipped a shot here. I recommend generating only one image per scene. It'll be clear further in the video. For now, continue generating these image scenes in a similar manner. And obviously, we don't need to use his name here, so I've cut it out. And like I promised, you can see the master prompt generates shots from different angles for us. Once we've gathered all our image shots, it's time for the juicy part, animation. There are 3 tricks to get it just right, and the third one is the most important one most tutorials never tell you. I'll be using a combination of Seedance, which is free, as well as Sora2, which is a paid model for my animation, but either one is fine. I'll upload the scene 1 image and copy the entire scene 1 prompt under image to video from GPT. Now select AI video and set the duration to 10 seconds. Since we're covering 5 shots, it can be 5 seconds if it's just 2 to 3 shots in the scene. Now hit generate and we get this amazing output having multiple cutscenes, but it's missing SFX and dialogue. Now let's try the same scene with Sora2 by pasting the same prompt with dialogues. I'm going to use OpenArt to use Sora, and you can grab a huge 60% discount on their Black Friday sale from my link below. It's the clear winner here with embedded SFX and lip-synced dialogue.
Alright then, which cup ramen do you want?
But there's a workaround to add lip sync and SFX to Seedance outputs. Head over to 11 Labs and go to sound effects here. Prompt for the required sound and download it to add to your scene. We can also generate some voiceover to add dialogues manually using text-to-speech, specifying the desired emotion. Guess this'll do. In order to sync this voiceover, head over to lipsync.video. You may even use Sync Labs. Upload the generated video and 11 Labs audio, or just type in the speech here with your preferred voice and generate. And we get this decent lip-sync result.
You should go home.
However, I would recommend getting OpenArt to cut short this process. Since the next scene only had 2 shots, I copied an extra shot from the next scene to input the next shot and get this great result in Seedance, which did a better job than even Sora, both being exceptionally good. I use Sora for most of my generations to avoid additional use of lip syncing, but scenes where the starting and ending shot are predefined. We're animated using Seedance, which does it very well, and also since Sora does not support end frames. But the secret to keep consistency when you need one seamless shot without a cut in Sora2 and even Seedance is to take the previously generated Sora output and drop it in Frame Extractor to extract an ending frame that has the character's entire face and outfit, and download it to use as reference for the next generation. This ensures the face and outfit of the person remains consistent throughout the next scene. As for this scene, if we use the start frame as this comedic facial expression, it's hard to get a clear face, affecting consistency. So we'll use an end frame here and generate to maintain the character consistency throughout. I've generated this last scene with Sora, With that, I have all my scenes now, and we'll put it all together into a cohesive story using CapCut. Simply joining the clips and making a few cuts to make it snappy to get this amazing end result.
You should go home. Unlike me, you actually have a girlfriend.
I'm with you, senpai.
Alright then, which cup ramen do you want?
Wasabi.
You sure?
Guess this'll do.
What the fuck? Is this a non-skippable cutscene? I just turned 30. I'm not even that old to get isekai. I've got a deadline!
What's incredible about this workflow is that you can add more scenes with multiple shots and build your own anime series while spending very little time to produce it. You can find links to all tools below, including my exact workflow and prompt templates for free, or pay what you'd like, and check out this video if you want to create another amazing story workflow with Dream Machine.